Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to upload YouTube channel watermark in Creator Studio Beta as per YouTube new update. For this one you have to open any browser that you have installed on your Android and iOS devices. And then you have to open studio.youtube.com. After opening YouTube Creator Studio Beta you have to zoom in. Here you will see above music library channel customize option. You have to click on it and then you have to click on branding. Scroll down. Here you will see last option video watermark. You have to click on upload and then you have to choose your YouTube channel watermark. So we will select this subscribe arrow so that it will indicate towards subscribe tab to our viewers. And then you have to click on done. Again you have to click on done. And then you have to click on publish tab. Here you can see changes published. And then you have to change this display time settings. You have to click on entire video. Again you have to click on publish tab. Here you can see changes published. Once you will select this entire video option, that means your YouTube channel watermark will be displayed on your entire video. So in the same way you can also upload your YouTube channel watermark in Creator Studio Beta as per YouTube new update. If you still have any question then comment below in the comment section. We will answer all of your queries.